Try to imagine what it would be like to live in a society which has absolutely no history whatsoever. Try to imagine how would it feel to wake up one day and have no memory of what happened before the moment you woke up. What would be your identity and how would you begin to define it? Or would you continue to live your life without any identity, without any history? So, what is history and why does it matter?
आप chronology समझ लीजिए.
History is an understanding of the past. And I would underline again and again the word understanding the past.
Everything, everybody has a history. A Google search will tell you that history is all the events of the past or a series of events or facts that are connected to something or someone. In more precise terms, history constitutes the body of knowledge about the past. History is composed, created, constituted, constructed, and always situated. It is composed and created as a literary narrative of the past, composing facts in order to create meaning about the past. It is constructed because there is no hidden or true story that is to be found. Because history is not discovered or excavated, the facts are put together in a form. History is situated because it does not occur in a vacuum, and this works in two ways. Neither history itself happens in vacuum, nor the historian writes history in vacuum. This means that history will always be contested, because facts will always be contested. But history is not past, as it is not only based on memory. Therefore, history is not a theory or a hypothesis or an opinion, because history is more scholarly. It's premised on accuracy and it is based in methods. But there will be subjectivity in history writing, as historical evidence is fragmentary and often imperfect. But history writing forbids conceptual overdetermination and imaginative excesses, as the basis of history writing is getting the story right. A historian has to be deeply aware of his or her take and privilege, and also his or her methods. But if history is so problematic, why does it even matter? The simple, often repeated answer to that is, it is in history that we find solutions to the problems we have. But while finding these solutions, we must realize that because history will always be contested, the solutions will also always be contested. We must realize that history is for someone. History always has a purpose. History is always about power. History is ideological, and history is never ever innocent.